Hi, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to present you this 2008 Honda Civic Type S in the striking red. This particular car has done just 47,598 miles, which makes incredibly low mileage for the year. The particular car has been well maintained with full service history and has 17-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car, the seats are in immaculate condition with your centre armrest and half Alcantara finish. Multi-function steering wheel with start-stop button and CD player. Towards the rear of the car, this one's also got the upgraded Type R spoiler, which gives a more aggressive and aerodynamic body style. If this is a vehicle of interest to you or you'd like a personalised video, please contact us at Seaford MG 01323 898 818.